a great choice today with the 2018 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.